friends, it's Kim Odakoven. I'm going to do a very fast June flip through of this Chunky Monkey Freckled Fun outside. Again, I have this Freckled Fun Hello Summer charm here and K&Co bow. I can get it shut, but I'm not going to try. This is my stay-at-home planner and it works for me. Let's get to it. I've got some fun goodies up front, Live, Life, and Create, along with these fantastic bookmarks that I usually get from her. I also have these other bookmarks, some vellum that I can add at any time. Cutie Patooties from Mommy Lhey. Michael's had a 40% off, 50% off, whatever, on top of my associate discount, so I got this K for like 42 cents. I thought it would be a cute front cover. Of course, because I am a K. June was pretty pathetic, not gonna lie. It was one of those months that I just want to kind of put beside me. My son graduated this weekend, and then I was on vacation this week, and then it just snowballed from there. I can't believe it's actually July, to be honest. Didn't have a whole lot of time to track things, but I did cover up this the tracker on my fantastic Annie Plans printables with some pattern paper, some Happy Mail from Live, Life, and Create, Cutie Star, and this is why I never laminate anything, because I want to use it, and it's already laminated, and I'm just going to put it there even though it's laminated, but it looks junky. I don't like it, but that's why I don't laminate my die cuts, because I want to use them whenever I want, however I want, but I don't like it laminated. Ugh. Anyway, I've got this notes section. This is his summer schedule at college, so I can keep track of when to call him and when not. Again, like I was saying, I went on vacation this week, so what I did was I had to put, this is pre-planning, nothing serious, that I had to write on a different piece of paper for my in-laws when they were keeping track of my kids. But I did end up just washi taping this whole week together, because I'm not going to back plan, and there's no reason to, especially in a time daily when you're on vacation. In my estimation, you do what you want. It's your planner, no big deal. Here's the next week. Again, starting to get in the groove of things along with decorating. I've got a whole lots of lists and lists on top of lists with my work schedule as well. I love the time daily. I can either put in specific events or what I'm going to do, like Tyler golfing, or I need to get food prep going. Love these little cuties up here. This is just a printout on regular paper. It's not even sticker, and I just used a glow stick. But again, I didn't have a whole lot of time to do some stuff because I was working and then had a football camp. So this is about the only time of the day I had open. I do spend a lot of time using pattern paper. I love the fact that it looks what it looks like and the way it feels in here. It kind of chunks things up a little bit. So sometimes I cover up the time, sometimes I cover up the grid in these Mommy Lhey printables. And yes, this is a rubber band, not a jump band. I just use what I got, and that's what I have. And I'm just going to go ahead and flip through the next couple pages. This I don't care for. I did this kind of like a mermaid tail with some crepe paper, and it just ends up getting smushed and mashed. It just looks awful, and so I will never do that again, just letting you know. But I do love these acetate cuties that you can see through. I think that's awesome. These are all Mommy Lhey again. Love, love, love Mommy Lhey. Who doesn't, right? Here's the end of the month. Did I skip one? Of course I did, but it's pathetic anyway. But I've got this washi tape section. I didn't have any scissors, but oh well, life goes on, right? I use my planner. I love my planner. I use it every day, and sometimes it's not perfect. And guess what? I'm okay with that. Brain dump for the month, and again, I don't get to Walmart or Target very often, just probably once a month, and so that's the list there. This way to Happily Ever After. Here's Mommy Lhey, and this is a Wonton a Million cover that I made for my 2018 calendar. Again, another dashboard, the back side, some vellum. Got this cutie from Fairy Tale Scrapbook Club, and you've probably seen these in the previous flip throughs I've had, because these are the same as I've shown you previous flip throughs. I've got April and May, and here's June, and I've got some Faith Paper Shop going on this one. I love these quotes, and a little Mommy Lhey as well. Here's July. Got my Aura Studio as well as Mommy. Thought it was a good ode to July with all these bright, bright colors. August, I'm trying to tone it down a little. I used a little bit of some Mommy Lhey January kit on this one. October, a little creeping in some decorating, but most of the part it's very vacant. Again, November is pretty pathetic, but again, I just pre-plan. These are all important football dates. And of course, December, I don't have any kits yet. So I've shown you this in my 2018 planner setup. What I did is I put my doctor's appointment in which month they need to be at, and I'm going to link that up there. It's how I set this whole planner up for 2018, so I could use it on a daily basis without being overwhelmed. Dentist appointments, the months we need, and then I have, again, just a list view of a couple football schedules. I don't mind decorating the back of my inserts, and I just add to it as the year goes along if I need it zhuzhed. Here's an insert cover, and I don't ever attach the two because I always want to trade out my insert covers. So this one is Fairy Tale Scrapbook Club, and here's the back side of the other one, another piece of vellum. Dashboard. I find that my Foxy Fish dashboards, I don't know about you guys, but are like super short when it comes to wrapping around my inserts. I wish they were just a smidge longer because it would work for me better. So I have to find smaller inserts to wrap them around because they don't cover, if that makes sense. There's my family. Again, this is Studio 2E, L2E, and this is Fairy Tale Scrapbook Club. I love this insert from Mommy Lhey. I just wanted to add a few little fun things. And here's another K&Co charm that matches absolutely lovely with that. Frank Hearts You. Again, Fairy Tale Scrapbook Club. And here's my July. We made it. Today's July 2nd, right here. I've got football practice. That's where he's at now. I'm going to go get him here in a minute. But again, Meyer Studio and Mommy Lhey. I am finally going to record something. I'm going to track my sheets and my steps every day. I need to get in the habit about washing sheets weekly, not bi-weekly like I've been doing because it's gross and it's summer. So I need to make sure I get that done. Again, bills. Here's this week. I'm falling off the hydrate train, so I need to really focus on that with me. Here's a bookmark that I use to track where I am on that day. And then I also use this. This is Studio Signet. I use this for the week, and so if I'm on Thursday or Friday, I just stick this here, and that way I always know where my month is and my week is. So that's my system that way. Again, I'm working a crazy amount of hours this afternoon, but I am leaving on vacation here, so I've got some last-minute things I need to get done, packing, supplies, and then 4th of July. Looks oh so festive with my senorita, and I do washi tape the weeks together when I am on vacation because I am not back planning. That just doesn't work for me, and that's okay because you've got timed grid. I'm not going to record, that I sat around on a beach all day, even though that would be wonderful, wouldn't it? Here's my list for when I get back home, things I need to do on Sunday and the following week, just to like a brain dump. And then obviously I have an orthodontist appointment that I canceled already. I hate when I have to cross stuff out, but life happens. And then I have nothing except for a little bit of future planning with things. Make sure I hold the mail, blah, blah, blah. Again, I've got my month to-dos and I want to focus on things that I have to transfer from last month. And then I haven't started a Walmart list just yet. Hello, summer. Fairy Tale Scrapbook Club. Again, Mommy Lhey, Mommy Lhey. Another insert dashboard cover. All right, here's this. I added to the front cover of my focus list. Again, I'm going to put that Planning 2018 in the corner. I'm just going to skip over this section totally, but if you want to look at it, go ahead and find that video. Here's a quote, and my husband. Whoop, woo. There's me. I love you, and I love me. Princess of Paper Crafting. I don't know about that, but it sounds good. This is something I did a while ago. I just printed on tracing paper actually a picture of my planner. I thought it was super cute to add that. You'll see another one near the back. Here's my 2018 calendar for 2019, if that makes sense. I write down, starting last December, write down everything about the month that I need to remember for 2019. So here's January and February, March and April. Oops, here's May and June. Do a little bit of decorating, not too serious. So here was what I need to remember for 2019 June. Again, it's just the 2nd of August, but I needed to write down how much it's going to cost me for football. And here's last December's Christmas program highlights ideas. Here's my cutie patootie, one of them. This is Eli, my guy, my youngest. This is a Wonton a Million insert. And this is really just like lists upon lists. My husband is now living in Indiana, and I am taking care of all of the kids at home minus the one that's in college. So I have me and my 3 kids, and then one at college, and my husband's in Indiana every day, Monday through Friday. So I have lists upon lists of things for Tyler to get to college, what to buy when we got there. This is a list of what we needed to bring my husband for his apartment, things I've purchased for his apartment, a fall packing list for Tyler, which is like next time I see him in the fall, or this is July packing, this is fall packing list. I don't know why they're switched around, but whatever. Grocery list when we get to Indiana, meal ideas for my husband because he has to cook his own food, which is very traumatic in and of itself. Things for when I need to see Mark the next time, so I'll be getting this ready before we go to West Virginia because he's going to meet us there. And I believe that's it. And then the rest is blank. Here's the cover for Wonton a Million. And here's a Shop Freckled Fawn. This is an insert pouch, which I have stickers on the back end of it. I don't have anything right now. Again, Wonton a Million. Here's another one of those papers of a picture of my planner. And then here's my project and power list. I'm not going to bore you with that. Again, that's in my 2018 setup video. Again, I think it looks cute having your own pictures of your own planner in your planner. Here are those sticker pouches. And here's a sticky note pad that I've been using. It kind of matches my decor. And then I've got my October and November stickers back here. So I have this one labeled October and this one's November. And so I'll be decorating October and November using those stickers from Myora Studio. All right, guys, I tried to make it as quick as possible. Hope I didn't bore you to death. Leave comments or questions below. Be more than happy to answer them for you. Now I got to get June out and August in. Thanks, guys. Bye.